Hi guys and welcome to another video. So let's get started. In this video I'm going to talk about if. Okay, so if is a statement slash conditional slash decision making routine. Okay, so ifs are used to get a condition. So it's a statement, then we get a condition. Then you can use it for making a decision or decision making. So computer programs deal with information. Okay, so basically we need a way to access some information and process that information in order to make something out of it. Okay, so let's start with a simple example. I'm gonna read someone's age, so I'm gonna create a method that reads and returns someone's age. Okay, so let's create a method. Let's use definition def. Let's call it get read age. Actually, read age, and then we're gonna. This method doesn't has any arguments, so let's just close it. We're gonna read someone's age. Age is going to be equal. It has to be an integer, so I'm gonna use the function int. I'm gonna use the input function to read, and let's type some message right here. Enter your age, and we're gonna use the return. Okay, that's good. Let's return this age. Okay, so the return basically means that we're gonna return this age to some variable out of this scope. Okay, good. Let's see what I get here. I'm gonna call dir. As you guys can see, I have the read age method right here. So let's read age, which is going to be equal read age. And if I do this, I'm gonna come right here. I'm gonna type my age 22, and if I call age, I get 22. Okay, so that's how we can read someone's age. So how does it apply? How we can apply if statements in this case? So, for example, I want to build a system that only accepts people who are above 18 years old. Okay, or 18 years. So I have I need a method to evaluate someone's age. So I get that my age is 22, and I get that age. This age is above 18. So how I do this? How do I do this in Python? So let's just write a mathematical function, which you guys may be familiar with in mathematics. Okay, so let's call age. So some mathematical functions to compare numbers are greater, less, greater or equal, and lower and equal. Okay, so let's start with the greater, which is this symbol. Okay, so we're gonna type age greater than 18. Okay, so that's a basic statement, and we're gonna type enter, and we get true. Okay, so that means that age is greater than 18. Let's do differently. Let's type age less lower than 18, and we get false. Okay, so that's how we can evaluate, but that's doesn't tell us much about how we can actually create something out of this. So we see that this expression returns a bool value. You guys may be familiar with the bool value, but let's just see how we can actually make a decision make. So let's create a variable called state. Okay, and we're gonna call age greater than 18, and let's execute to see what is the output. So let's call state. As you guys can see, state is equal true right now. And that means that we can actually make a statement out of this. So the if keyword actually compares. Okay, so if, when I say if, I'm gonna create a statement, and I need certain conditions to make this work. Okay, so if state equal true, okay, because it's a function, you need to type these 2 points, okay, print you are actually I need to change a little bit, you are allowed, okay, something like this. Let's execute. As you guys can see, I have you are allowed. So that's pretty much a simplification of this, because I have if state equal true. Okay, so that's another way to do this, but actually the right way to do it would be the following: if age is greater than 18, okay, as you guys can see, I'm gonna print you are above 18 years old, okay, and if you execute, you're gonna see that you are above 18 years old. So that means that this condition, okay, you guys have to remember that this is going to return a bool value, okay, age greater than 18 is going to return a bool value, and that means that we pretty much have just something like this. I cannot type right here, but we actually have this, okay, and that could be simplified by just this. So as you guys can see, so if we have if age, which is it's only be executed if age is true, okay. I think I make things a little bit complicated, but it doesn't need to be. So I hope you guys have kind of could take something out of this video, because that's pretty simple, but my explanation may not be that good. But I hope you guys have understood what I meant by this video, okay? So thanks for watching this video, and see you guys next time.